Alright, so I don't want to show you any of my CSS, so I'm going to go ahead and create another file called rotor or propeller. Propeller. .css. So you can actually have multiple CSS files, so just at the very top, just add another link. So one instance where you might do this is like, for example, if you have like a base CSS for the entire site, and then you have certain specific CSS for a certain page you're on, you can use these same style sheets. So one would be shared across all of them, and one would be more specific to that exact page. Now in the propeller CSS, I really just want to do a simple animation. So we're going to do a review of keyframes. I'm going to do keyframe, so at keyframe, I should say. And this is going to be an identifier. So what is the animation identified by? So we'll say engine running. And you can do different values. So at 0%, I'm going to put the transform dot and then rotation. So rotate 0 degrees. And then you can do all sorts of different ones. So for example, you do like 20%, that kind of stuff. We're just gonna do 100%. Not $100, 100%. And I'm gonna do a transform, rotate 360 degrees. Now at this point we have one keyframe animation that starts at 0 degrees and should go 360 degrees around. If it doesn't, I'll make it like 359 to make sure it doesn't just stay there because it's already there. But we want to access our propeller. So my propeller is hashtag propeller. And we want to add that animation to it. So I'm going to do an animation. And you notice we do all those parts. So the name is this engine run. So that's the name of the animation. And I think you can actually put multiple animations on a single component. So if I had another keyframe where maybe the engine has more of a wobble or something like that too. But you can also put multiple things. So like this, you can change like colors and that kind of stuff. So I'm going to do engine running. We'll do 3 seconds. The timing function, I think it's going to be linear. You can do ease in, ease out, but that's going to make it kind of look kind of weird. Delay, I don't want it delay. Iteration count, I can make this one infinite. And direction forwards. And fill mode, I'm going to leave that blank. So the forwards means that the animation ends where at the end, not at the beginning, so it doesn't snap back to the beginning. Let's go ahead and save that. Let's go ahead and save this propeller CSS. Look at that, we're kind of flying. So again, with some simple CSS, we're able to add this animation. Now in the next video, we're going to look at something a little bit new. We're going to add it where this is just not automatically running. When you scroll, it's going to cause it to animate. So again, you need your keyframes. So for any kind of animation, you want a keyframe. And then you just add the animation and then just set a few variables. The key one is what's the name of the animation and how long is it going to take. The rest of them can be defaults and it'll still work. If you want to see it look weird, let's do ease in. And you'll see it's fast, slow, fast. So as soon as it starts the animation over again, it takes a while. So ease in is like when you're taking off from a stop sign and you're accelerating up, so eventually you get up to speed. Ease out is when you're braking at a stop sign, so you're slowing down and coming to a stop. And then the linear means you just have a lead foot.